Going to the Barbados. He's back. I'm back. We back.
Stayed on the resort, so
Man, you gotta get him.
see him coming to you. Come
You can see him. Yeah.
Track
you
though.
Don't forget we're going. Actually, it's away from all the.
Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. So this trip was a surprise. I had no idea where we were going, like literally until we got to the gate, which is so fun. We're on the resort right now waiting for our room to be ready. We just had some food, had a little rum punch, and we're just enjoying the view, as you guys can see. But yeah, we about to run it back, Puerto Rico style. You know, we're about to run it back. So one thing about me and Mally, I don't know if y'all remember from the last vlog, is that on the first day of the trip, when we get back to the room and we say we're gonna take a nap, ain't no nap. Ain't no nap. It's giving sleep. And wake up at 2 a.m. So here we are. Cheese. So I never gave y'all a proper resort tour, so I'm gonna try to do that today. But we still don't really know our way around yet. Everything that I've been looking up about this resort is like, they say that it's like built like a little village. So y'all see like the way that it's set up. Good morning. So yeah, y'all see, we're gonna find where all the stuff is. We're gonna try to find where breakfast is. That's first order of business. It's 7:30 a.m. and I'm hungry because we had our early dinner yesterday and then we passed out. So I need to put something in my tummy. Are you excited, Mally?
That's the vlog.
Yeah.
We in Barbados. Where are you? Where are you?
We're just walking and we not paying
just
attention.
walking.
Let me turn this off. Hold on. I'll talk to y'all later. It's nice. It's hot, but it's like a breeze. A really, really nice breeze. At lunch, we were at the pool for a couple hours. Oh, it sounded like it was about to fly off the table. We're in the pool for a couple hours. Now we're gonna have lunch. And what's cool about this like poolside restaurant is that the pool is here and then the restaurant, as you guys can see. We ate here yesterday. I think I might have recorded it. I can't remember. The Mally had got the fish sandwich and I had the chicken. Today I'm gonna get the shrimp kebabs and see what that's hitting like. Then we're gonna take a nap and go out tonight because it's a surprise for me. Not me yawning.
I gotta say.
Yeah, talk to the
We in Barbados. Where are you? Where are you?
Not here. Cheers. So, I'm making a mess. These rum punches are really good. And they have like a little bit of what's it called? Like cinnamon in it, which I wasn't expecting, but it like goes really good with the flavors of the rum. Is this a fish? Hi, it's us again. So we're engaged now. I don't know if I'm going to talk about that in this vlog or a separate vlog, but yes. Hey, we're now in Williamsburg, Virginia for my family reunion. Just got out the airport, got settled in the rental car, and we're about to go probably get something to eat and explore a little bit. We have like a full 4-day itinerary for the family reunion, so that'll be really fun to see everybody and also to stunt because I just got engaged, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I think we're gonna eat first, right babe? Yeah. He was looking on TikTok to see like what's good eats in Williamsburg, because one thing about Malcolm, he is very bougie about food. Like he won't just eat anything. So hopefully we find something good for him to eat around here. But hopefully the weather stays good, because I was looking at the thing and it looks like it's gonna rain this weekend, which is unfortunate for the plans that we have set up. So we'll see. But yeah, see y'all in a little bit. So we're about to try the Tipsy Beans Cafe. I don't even know why it would be named that. Like, what's tipsy about it? About to find out. It's really cute in here. They have a really extensive menu. It looks like this place is very like coffee focused, so they have a bunch of specialty lattes on the menu. So I'm definitely gonna have to get one of those. And the interesting thing is that you can make it tipsy, which I think means it's like an alcoholic latte, which is cool. So we'll see. I'll show y'all what we get. Okay, so I ordered this like specialty mimosa. So I'm gonna try it. Well, I already tried it with TikTok, but I'm trying it again for y'all. It's really good. It has like a really nice balance of like the flavors. I think, what did she say was the flavors of the mimosa that she was telling me? I don't remember. So I had the turkey club sandwich with the fries. Malcolm ordered the fried catfish sandwich and he got a side of grits. What you gonna rate it? 0 to 10.
0 to 10?
Mm-hmm.
Shit is like E forever though.
Yo, here you go again with the E. I'm gonna give it a 9?
Yeah, 8.5.
Yep.
He says 8.5, I say 9.
The blue one is apple pucker. The purple one.
It was really good. You guys, that was such a great lunch, right, babe? Our server was so sweet. I feel like I'm very jaded about service because in New York, the customer service be so trash. It'd be like pulling teeth to get somebody to be nice to you. But she was so sweet. Like literally every aspect of it. The way she explained the menu, everything. She gave him a little to-go cup. First of all, he ordered a sweet tea, but he was asking if it was like real Southern sweet tea. And she was like, it depends on who was making it. So she went and got like a little shot glass full of it so that he could have a sample of it before he decided if that's what he wanted to eat. Like, it just be the little things, like so sweet. So the hotel is not ready, unfortunately. It's like maybe 2:15, 2 p.m. Check-in is not until 4. Room's not ready. And one thing about me and Malcolm, we're gonna find them all. Okay, so we at this little outlet, like a little shopping center thing. We're gonna do some shopping, cause why not? It's bowling night. It's our welcome event. I booked the bowling alley for, it's like a package where you do like unlimited food, unlimited soft drinks, a $10 arcade card, and 2 hours of bowling for $38 per person. So it was a really good deal. So we're all gonna go and I'm gonna win, of course, because I wonder if everybody started leaving already. Are we late? Well, I'm not doing so good job, so maybe you wouldn't consider what I'm doing as bowling, but everybody else is bowling. Okay, thank you. Day 2 of the Collier Family Reunion. Today is Busch Gardens Day, so we're gonna go to the amusement park. I'm gonna bring y'all along. So we are introducing Malcolm to my roots. We used to come to Busch Gardens all the time when we were kids. We would come down south for the summer and we would go to Busch Gardens. So
Like this vibe.
for our first family reunion in a long time, it was only right that we planned another Busch Gardens trip. So hopefully it's gonna be a really good day. The weather did clear up. I know I was telling you guys the other day that it looked like it was gonna rain all weekend, but the weather is beautiful today. So I'm super excited. So we'll see how it goes.
Oh snap, Pizza Hut.
First ride, best ride, right, Valley? Let's see if I scream. It's just a little Buccaneer. Nothing I can't hear though. Hi, Carter, wave. Hi, cutie. Say cheese. Somehow, somebody got a fan stuck in my hair.
Who did that? Is the fan off at least?
I think it's off. No,
It,
it's
it
off.
turns
hit
off
it,
when
yeah.
you hit something.
Yeah, when you hit
Oh,
something.
don't laugh.
I think it's like.
I only got 3. I have to pull it. It's Malcolm pulling your hair.
What is going on, y'all? Thank you, y'all. Somebody care.
Oh, I was trying to check the time for her.
It's full enough, I think, to cover.
Imagine if it was your real hair.
Right.
Yes.
That's what I'm talking about. A pina colada with. Is that henna?
Yep. I'm gonna get this next.
Say hi. Look how cute the face paint is. You look so beautiful. I can see me, I can see you, I can see Mama.
Me and her are gonna use our little.
Thank you. And Cole. Say hi. It's so hot, guys. Ooh. Let y'all see we're on this like boat ride. My dad.
That's dude. Didn't think that part.
At Busch Gardens. Grab an authentic German meal at Das Best House, or a craft beer at our Brauhaus Craft Beer Room while you enjoy a show on stage. And if you want
looking out.
Camera
so
looking for you.
my left is left field.
Now you're over here. Now you're over there.
Oh yeah.
They can hear you.
to that stadium. Where can I park at?
It's a speaker on it. But you gotta keep it
Book your
Turn it this
parking
way.
early. Go like what apps? Check spot.
But there is a spot where you can park at, right? Okay.
That's where I park. There is for section 110, you can come to gate 6. I won't park by the car.
This is not new.
Faye's gonna get some food.
I could go in there?
No,
No. What? He's friendly.
she's a professional.
I'm a professional.
No, yeah, okay. Until you get in there. It is day 3. Busch Gardens was really fun yesterday. When we got back, we were super tired, so we took a shower. We went out to eat and we crashed. But it is like 8 a.m. right now. Today is like our family field day, like barbecue picnic thing. So we have matching t-shirts. We are here at York River State Park. This is the little reserve that we booked. I'll show y'all. Nice, small. It's supposed to fit like 20 or so people. Garbage cans are there. The grill is over on that side. And then behind the trees over there is like a little lake. So it's a really nice view. So it should be a fun day. Right, Carter? Oh, look.
There's only one bathroom.
There you got a scuba. Scuba. Scuba.
I know another way to blow bubbles.
You got some bubbles?
I know another way to blow it.
Go ahead. Wow. So yeah, we just setting up, y'all.
On your mark. Are we listening to her? Wait, come back.
You just lost his sister points for that.
Get ready. Get set. Go. Nah, it's not start over. If you drop it, just stop and pick it up.
Carter, how you my partner and you on the ground?
Carter, hurry up. Get up.
And here come Erica. Here comes the switch off.
Oh yeah, Chris.
Here goes Chris. Go Chris.
Oh yeah, Chris.
Chris going.
Oh yeah.
Come on, Carter. Go.
You're not beating Chris.
Go, Toddy.
Chris just did this like a week ago at field day.
Oh, he's an ex. Oh.
Put back on. Hurry. That's behind you.
Let's make him nervous. Go, Chris.
Come on.
All right, we got a winner.
Yay.
We got a winner. Chris and Nate. That should have been 2 laps. We're going to do another one. 2 laps?
I would have gone for Christian. I gotta know the youngest dozer out there.
Alright, you're supposed to be going, go my man, go my man.
She said, I don't know about that.
But he might got him. He got him.
Let's go. What is happening?
Let's go, Carter!
His foot didn't get in the bag that good. He would have probably won that one.
Are we hurt?
Baby down.
Come on, you got this.
Aww.
He bleeding. Who?
Yeah, bust. He got busted his lip. Who? Chris. Doing a flip.
Hey, the big go, man. Let the big go, man. He never wanted to get off, man.